In recent years, ASMR, autonomous sensory meridian response, has exploded in popularity, and two platforms have emerged as the giants of this genre, TikTok and YouTube. But which one really rules the ASMR space? On one hand, TikTok is perfect for fast, satisfying content. Its short-form video format, usually under 60 seconds, makes it ideal for users looking for quick ASMR triggers throughout the day. Creators on TikTok often focus on trendy, visually captivating content like tapping, mic scratching, or oddly satisfying visuals. Think slime, soap cutting, or ear cleaning simulations. With TikTok's algorithm pushing content rapidly, new ASMR artists can go viral almost overnight, gaining millions of views and followers without needing expensive equipment. The platform thrives on spontaneity, creativity, and short attention spans, which works perfectly for Gen Z and mobile-first users. However, while TikTok dominates in quick viral ASMR, YouTube remains the king of immersive, long-form relaxation. YouTube ASMR videos often last from 15 minutes to over an hour, allowing creators to build calming atmospheres and use high-quality binaural microphones to produce 3D soundscapes. From soft-spoken storytelling and personal attention role plays to sleep-inducing sound baths, YouTube offers a deeper, more intimate ASMR experience. It's ideal for people who use ASMR to unwind after a long day, fall asleep, or study for long periods. Many of the biggest names in ASMR, like Gibi, Gentle Whispering, and ASMR Darling, built their careers on YouTube, where the platform supports deeper creator monetization and stronger community engagement. In contrast, TikTok lacks the same tools for longer viewer engagement and monetization, though it's catching up. Ultimately, the best platform depends on how and why you watch ASMR.